Hello, good evening students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Last week we studied about the adjective. On Saturday we studied the lesson the adjectives. What is adjective? Adjectives are those words which tells more about noun, right? The quality, we studied about the adjective of quality, correct? It tells about the quality of a noun, right? And it is told that the words which tells about the noun are called adjectives, and these adjectives are in three forms. Okay, the first one is positive degree. Okay, it is in 3 degrees. Okay, the adjective degrees of comparison. Okay, first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. Okay, the name of lesson is only what? The adjective degrees of comparison. Here it is given, 3 examples are given here. Compare the following sentences. What we have to do? We have to compare the sentences. Okay, what we have to do? We have to compare the sentences. First one, Radha is a tall girl. How is Radha? Tall girl. So word tall in this sentence is, the word tall in this sentence is what? Positive. It is what? It is a positive sentence. Okay, positive degree sentence. The sentence which is given here is Radha is a tall girl. How is Radha? When question is asked, what you will say? Tall girl. Tall is what? Tall is adjective, and this word tall adjective is in which degree? It is a positive degree. Okay, so here it is told that the adjective tall is in the positive degree. It is used when we do not make a comparison with any other noun. It is normally said, correct or not? What is said? That Radha is a tall girl. Comparison is done what with another noun? Radha is a noun, and only about Radha it is told that Radha is a tall girl. And if I will say Radha is taller than, here it is given, Sudha is taller than Radha, then what is done? Comparison is done between Radha and Sudha. Okay, so your first sentence is Radha is a tall girl. So tall adjective is in positive degree. Second sentence, Sudha is taller than Radha. The adjective taller is in comparative degree. It is taller word is in which degree? Taller is in comparative degree. It is in which degree? It is in comparative degree. Now in comparative degree, what is done? Comparison is done between 2 nouns. Now which are 2 nouns? Radha is one noun and Sudha is one noun. So your sentence is given, Sudha is taller than Radha. Sudha is taller than Radha. When we say Sudha is taller than Radha, comparison between 2 nouns is done. Sudha is also name of a person and Radha is also name of a person. So what we have done? We have done comparison. And then when we do comparison between 2 nouns, at that time we use ER. What we use? ER. The word tall in comparative degree became what? Taller. What just now I told you, comparison between 2 nouns is done, right? And then when we do comparison between 2 nouns, what we do? We are using ER for comparative degrees every time. For the spelling, for the adjective, what is used? ER is used. Pay attention. Pay attention what I am telling. Don't do your work at home. Okay, look towards me. Even if I am in mobile, you have to pay attention. You should not see here and there. Yes or no? So when we talk about the adjective tall, the word is in positive degree. When we talk about the adjective word taller, it is in which degree? It is in comparative degree. It is in which degree? It is in comparative degree. And keep in mind, for comparative degree, every time ER is used. Okay. Next one is, third one, Medha is the tallest girl in the class. Who is tallest girl in the class? Now here example is given, Medha is the tallest girl in the class. Medha is the tallest girl is the tallest girl in the class. Girl in the class. Who is tallest girl in the class? Medha is the tallest. For tall, what we have done? For tall, here we have added er. Here for tall we have added est. Okay, and when we use est for the word, when we do comparison with more than one noun, okay, when comparison is done between more than one noun, here only normally about one noun is told, correct? Radha is a tall girl. Here it is what? Sudha is taller than Radha. Okay, so comparison is done between Sudha and Radha. Sudha word and Radha word is what? They are nouns. They are what? They are nouns. When we use est for the adjective word, then it is which degree? It is superlative degree. So word tallest. The word tallest is what? It is in superlative degree. It is in which degree? It is in superlative degree. Now keep in mind adjective. When we study about the degrees of adjectives, there are 3 degrees of comparison. How many degrees of comparisons are there? 3. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and the last one is superlative degree. Keep in mind. In positive degree, tall. Comparative, taller. Superlative, tallest. Right? For comparative degree, we are adding er. Tall, taller, er. What we have added? Er. And here what we have added? est. For superlative degree, we have added est. Keep in mind. Come on, you can say positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. In positive degree, comparison is not done between 2 nouns. Okay. In comparative degree, comparison is done between 2 nouns. ओके, कंपॅरिझन म्हणजे काय? दोन नाउन्समध्ये तुलना केलेली असते. आता नाउन म्हणजे काय? नाउन म्हणजे कोणत्याही पर्सनचं नाव. ओके, नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, ॲनिमल, बर्ड, थिंग. नेम्स ऑफ एनीथिंग इज नाउन्स. अँड देन इन बुक इट इज गिवन सुधा इज टॉलर दॅन राधा. मग त्या 2 मुलींमध्ये कंपॅरिझन केलं आहे की नाही? तुलना केली की नाही? सुधा कशी आहे? टॉलर आहे. कुणापेक्षा? राधापेक्षा. तर मग सुधा आणि राधा हे नावं काय आहेत? हे नाव दे आर नेम्स ऑफ अ पर्सन. करेक्ट? दे आर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. नेमिंग वर्ड्स मीन्स व्हॉट? नाउन्स. करेक्ट? अँड इन लास्ट वन इट इज टोल्ड दॅट मेधा इज द टॉलेस्ट गर्ल इन द क्लास. मेधा कशी आहे? सगळ्यांमध्ये टॉलेस्ट गर्ल आहे इन द क्लास. सो टॉलेस्ट est जोडलेलं आहे, तर त्यावेळेस काय होणार आहे? वेन वी आर ॲडिंग est टू द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह इट बिकम्स सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री. व्हॉट इट बिकम्स? Superlative degree. Now some examples are given over here. I will just read for you. Learn these adjectives that compare. Now positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, we will do that. First one, positive, comparative and superlative. And superlative. I have told you in comparative degree what we have to do? We have to add er, and in superlative degree we have to add est. समजतंय का? लक्षात आलंय का तुमच्या? समजलंय का तुम्हाला? इन कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री er जोडायचं आहे आणि सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्रीमध्ये est जोडायचं आहे. ओके, सो नाव सम वर्ड्स आर गिवन. ब्राईट. फर्स्ट वर्ड विच इज गिवन इन द बुक इज ब्राईट. नाउ इन कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू? वी हॅव टू ॲड er. सो व्हॉट इट विल बिकम? ब्राईट, ब्राईटर. त्याच शब्दाला आपण काय जोडलेलं आहे? er. And last one is brightest, est. Understood? Now second word is happy. Okay, happy. आता y ऐवजी whenever it is y, that y you have to change to you have to change it to I. So happy, happier, double P I E R, happier and happiest. Understood? Why you have to change to I. Next one is simple. Simple, simpler, simplest. Okay, simple, simpler, simplest. What we have done in comparative? In comparative we have added ER, and in superlative we have added EST. There are some more examples. Big, see in the book, big. What will be in comparative degree? Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Some adjectives are formed by adding more for the comparative degree and most for superlative degree. Now some words are in such a way that we cannot make it we cannot add ER and EST to it. काही शब्द असे असतात की त्या शब्दांना आपल्याला ER किंवा EST जोडता येत नाही. मग अशा शब्दांना काय करायचं? कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्रीमध्ये काय जोडायचं? त्याला मोर. त्या शब्दाच्या अगोदर काय जोडायचं? मोर, MORE, मोर. आणि सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्रीच्या वेळेस काय जोडायचं त्याला? MOST, मोस्ट. तर एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेले आहेत. सम एक्झाम्पल्स आर गिवन हिअर. सी हिअर. ब्युटिफुल, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Some adjectives have entirely different words. They are changing in all three. In positive degree also they are changed. In comparative degree also they are changed and they are different, and in superlative degree also they are different. Now here, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. In all three degrees words are totally different. Understood? Have you understood degrees of comparison? Have you understood about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree? When the normal adjective word, whenever you will see normal adjective word, that is in positive degree. Comparison केलेलं नसतं पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्रीमध्ये. कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्रीमध्ये दोन नाउन्समध्ये काय केलेलं असतं? कंपॅरिझन केलेलं असतं. कंपॅरिझन इज डन बिटवीन टू नाउन्स. ओके. अँड इन सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री comparison is done between more than one noun. Understood? For comparative degree ER is added, and for superlative degree EST is added. Okay, keep in mind. And there are some words we cannot make it beautiful. For example, beautiful word, you will say what? Beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. Yes, you will say what like this? Beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. You will say what? For example, Achal is sitting over here, then I will say what? Achal, you are the most beautifulest girl. Can I say like this? No. What I will say? Achal is the most beautiful girl. Understood? These are some examples, right? Most beautiful. You cannot say beautifulest. Correct? If I want to say about a dress, your dress is more wonderful, or your dress is the most wonderful dress in the class. Most wonderful, more wonderful. Such words are. There are some adjectives we cannot change those adjectives in comparative degree and superlative degree, and there are some words they change in all three degrees: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Okay, then more which is given, some examples are given: many, more, most. In this way we have studied today at the adjective degrees of comparison. Some question answers are there of this lesson. Correct? Here some answers are there. We will solve this page, or we will write down answers of all these questions in tomorrow's period. Okay, remaining part we will study tomorrow. Thank you.